Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to file a complaint with Hertz rental car. So if you have any problem with Hertz rental car and if you want to file a complaint, it is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in hertz.com. After that, you'll be led to the official website of Hertz. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So in order to file the complaint, what you have to do is simply go to the Contact Us interface. For that, scroll down to the bottom of this interface. Now over here, you'll be able to find the section for customer support. Under the customer support section, at first you'll be able to find the option for Contact Us. Simply click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the Contact Us interface of Hertz. From here, you'll be able to contact the Hertz customer support. So in order to file the complaint, what you have to do is scroll down. Now over here, you'll be able to find the section for phone numbers. So if you want to file the complaint, what you have to do is look for the phone number right below the option customer support. Now you can simply dial this phone number in order to file your complaint, and you'll be able to file the complaint via the phone. Or you can simply start a chat with the Hertz customer support. For that, click on this option, start a chat. Now from here, you'll be able to chat with the Hertz. Simply click on the message bar and type in your complaint. After you enter your complaint, press enter. Now you can see over here the message will be sent. They'll reply to you promptly. You can simply go ahead and follow the process in order to file the complaint. Or you can also email the Hertz rental car. For that, what you have to do is simply go to New tab. Click on the search bar and type in gmail.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here Gmail will be open. Simply click on this option, compose. Now simply click on the recipient section. Now what you have to do is enter customer relations @hertz.com. This is basically the email address of Hertz. Now in the subject section, you can simply enter the subject. Here I'm just going to enter complaints. Now enter your message over here. Simply enter the complaint that you have. You can also attach the documents if you want. After you do that, click on the send option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, the email will be sent. Hertz will review your email. After that, Hertz will reply to you via email itself. So like this too, you'll be able to file the complaint. So that is how you file a complaint with Hertz rental car. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.